OWO, what is this?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County, Hocking County, Eastern Pickaway County, Eastern Ross County in southwestern Ohio until 3:45 a.m. At 3:04 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Asheville to 6 miles northeast of Pike Lake, moving east at 50.
Nope.
Sighting entries. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Chillicothe, Circleville, Logan, Nelsonville, Asheville, South Bloomfield, Bremen, Kingston, Pleasantville, Hideaway Hills, Logan Elm Village, Hocking Hills State Park, North Folk Village, Star, Royalton, Lycopolis, Amanda, Londonderry, and Thurston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio.